Hello traders, today is the 14th of July 2010 and happy 14th of July to all our French TSTW24 traders. Okay, this video is about a chart pattern here. Okay, this chart pattern is my favorite. Okay, chart pattern. Okay, if I say my favorite chart pattern is that this is a very profitable, okay, chart pattern. That's why I say to you that is my favorite chart pattern, okay, because trading is all about making money, okay, not to lose money consistently, okay. If you are losing money consistently, okay, it means that you are making a wrong decision very often, or you are making some mistake that you are not even aware of. You are making consistent mistake, okay. So when you recognize, what you need to do is to write down, recognize clearly your own mistake, okay. So you locate clearly all your mistakes, you write them down, okay, you recognize them. So when you are about to make them, you know that this is a mistake and you avoid doing that, okay, and you adopt a new way of trading, okay, and then you start going forward, okay. At least you come to break even. I'm not saying that you're going to achieve all this in a very short term, okay, short time, okay. So you start improving steadily, okay. And one of the things that you can use also to achieve consistent winning trade, okay, is to use patterns, okay, because the patterns repeat themselves very often, okay, and the professional use also pattern, okay. Now we talk also in my many of my video. I mean, if you watch my video very often, maybe you get fed up with me now, sorry about that, but we use also what we call a stable data, things that remain constant in the market, the truth. If I say stable data, this is about the truth in the market. This is also stable data in this market, which is a pattern that is valid, okay. If I say something is stable, it means that the thing is valid, okay, because the market is changing all the time. There are different participants coming to the market, different seasons in the market, different cycle in the market, okay, different period in the market. A lot of things are happening in the market, okay. The global influence, okay, the macro influence, okay, all the things coming to the market, okay, the emotion, the psychology, the mental games, okay, because some traders will take you out of your trade in order to profit from it, okay. So be aware of that also. So we have to have tools that we can use carefully, that we test, okay, that we can rely on, okay. So one of the tools that you can use is patterns, okay, and I want to show you here a very powerful pattern, which is my favorite pattern. Okay, if we pay attention to this pattern carefully here, we can see that the price, there was an uptrend here, okay. So in the uptrend, we know that we have to have a series of higher lows and higher highs. So in this portion here, the price going up, going down, going up, going down, and then it's just going up, okay. So we see higher lows and higher high in this portion here, okay. Now the price pull back here, okay, give us a pullback big time here, give us a nice find a support here, and try to continue the movement to the upside and fail right here. At this point in time, okay, at this point in time where my cursor is a double top pattern here. So most of the traders who watch this price at this point here will be busy looking for opportunity to sell at this point here, because there is the price fell to cross this high here, okay. So because it failed to display a higher high, it's a weakness to our uptrend that was showing up here, okay. So people will sell after the trend line on this side, the trend line on this side. If you watch my video regarding the double top pattern, after the trend line in this line here is broken, people will sell. I will sell myself here. And like I said to you, if you sell here, you must be prepared to take profit at this support level here. But if you fail to take profit here and the price find a support at that same level here, like it did in this pattern here, and you fail to close your position, you are stubborn, you are courageous, okay, and you remain the trade thinking that this is your favorite pattern double top, the price must go down, the price is pushing back up, you ignore, you say it's going to form a triple top here. When it comes to this level here, more bear will try to sell it here, saying that, oh, this is now a triple top, because a lot of people are busy thinking that it's a double top first here. They sold it here. Now the bear who failed to take profit here remain their trade. When it is approaching here, they open a bearish position here at the same level here, thinking that this is a triple top here. They are very confident. They load it here with their bearish position, thinking that the price will continue the movement to the downside in order to form a triple top. But to their disappointment, the price breaks through it and continue the movement to the upside. Okay, so don't be like those traders. Don't be like those traders at all. Once you are doing the double top here, because right here we have a double top at that particular point in time, you sell after your trend line is broken here, you take a profit here. What myself I usually do is that I open two positions here, because I like this double top pattern. I open two positions and I close one position here. Okay, if the price continue the movement below this level, I'll let the other position run. Like in this case here, if I open two positions here, I will close one position here. But if I see the price turn around after, you see now, after the trend line on this side, okay, the down trend line on this side is broken, I will take my second profit straight away, because I will know that the price finds support here. I repeat, if I open two positions here, in my normal habit of trading, I will close one position here and let the other one run. If the price continue the movement below it, for me the bearish position to the downside. If I see if the price finds support here, as soon as the trend line on this side here is broken, I'll close my second position. So the point I want to make in this video, very important point, is that when you are watching this, okay, at this part, especially at this point here, you notice that there's a double top. Okay, your first tendency is to sell after the trend line on this side is broken. That's correct. You sell. Very important point, you must take the first profit here and watch the reaction on the price. Wait for the price to close a bearish close below this level here, because the price may find support. And in this case here, the price finds support here. And if you remain stubborn here, you may think that it's going to form a triple top here. Exactly here, more seller will definitely, if you take a profit here, that's okay. Once the trend line on this side is broken, you know that, okay, it's finding support, you may buy. At this zone here, people will take a profit. If you buy after this trend line here is broken, you buy. You must take a profit here, because some sellers will come in thinking that's going to form a triple top here. Okay, so you know your support and your resistance level, and you respect the market. So you sold it here, your first target is here, you take profit here. If it goes below it, you sell again. Okay, and you do the projection, this point to this point here, you project it below this level here to the downside. That will be your first target. Okay, that's what I told you in my video regarding the double top pattern. If you haven't watched it, go and watch double top part 1, part 2, part 3. This is my favorite chart pattern, because the price was in an uptrend. Now right here we have a double top here. There was an uptrend, now a double top here. This is a very powerful signal. Okay, a price giving a higher lows, higher high, higher lows, higher high, and then pause here, pause. This is a pause period. Okay, and now give us a nice double bottom pattern here. Favorite pattern, a double bottom in an uptrend. Okay, a very excellent pattern for a continuation pattern. This is a continuation pattern. Instead of having A, B, C, D pattern that I talked to you about before, we have A, B, but A, B, C, D, this guy a bit with a double bottom pattern here. Excellent, 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 bullish pattern. Pay attention to this pattern carefully. Look at it, recognize it, store it in your memory, and take advantage of it. If you buy here after this double bottom is formed, take a bit of profit here. If it break above it, that will be another time to buy again and remain in it nicely. Your first target will be, after you buy it, after the breakout here, okay, your first target will be the projection from this distance from here to this here, you project it to the upside to this level here. I hope I make myself clear in this video. The first target will be above this level here. Okay, projection, horizontal, vertical projection from here to here. You project it above here, from here to here. That will be your first target. I hope I make myself clear in this video. This is my favorite chart pattern, uptrend plus double bottom pattern. Okay, I use it in a different variation. I don't want to talk about everything now. Okay, slowly but surely we will give you everything at the right moment. Okay, so you know now my favorite chart pattern. You also may store it in your arsenal of trading and use it carefully in order to cream the market consistently. This video is primarily for the TSTW24 traders. Till next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you.